Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne. We love you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne. Thank you, Casey.
Birthday, Ma'am Roxanne.
Birthday, Ma'am Roxanne. Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne. God bless.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday po. Love you po, mama.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne. Sana mabuhay ka pa ng matagal.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tinasa. I love you so much. You mean the world to me, Mama Chup Chup.
Happy birthday, ma'am. We love you, ma.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come ma'am. At sana po matupad niyo lahat ng mga pangarap niyo sa buhay at hindi po namin kayo kakalimutan at aasahan mo po yan ma'am. At mahal na mahal ka po namin ma'am. Mag-iingat ka po palagi.
Happy birthday po sa inyong Ma'am Roxanne May Tinaza. Sana po pagpatuloy niyo po ang pagtuturo ninyo.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne. Sana po mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. Salamat po sa pagiging mabait niyo po sa amin. At sana po magtagal po ang inyong buhay. We love you po.
Hi Roxanne, Mrs. Reliera, happy birthday. Kailan kayo magkakatotoo? Okay.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne. Ma'am Roxanne. Alatro.
Birthday, Ma'am Roxanne.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Ma'am. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Roxanne.
Hello po Ma'am Roxanne. Gusto lang po sabihin namin sa'yo na happy birthday. And more blessing po sana ang pumunta sa'yo. Yun lang po. Thank you. Bye. Happy birthday po Ma'am Roxanne.
Roxanne, happy birthday. Stay pretty. Boom.
Yeah? Happy birthday, Roxanne. Oh, wow.
Rox, ilang taon ka na? May boyfriend ka na pa? Happy birthday!
Hoy, titang ina, happy birthday. Ring ring.
Happy birthday, kaibigan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Roxanne.
Happy birthday, Roxanne.
Oops! Hindi lang dyan nagtatapos.
Happy birthday, Roxanne. So, alam mo naman na hindi na lang kuya ang meron ka dahil meron ka na ring ate.
Who is better than your kuya?
And of course, alam mo naman na kahit anong mangyari, lagi kaming andito para sa'yo.
Malayo man kami, pero isang tawag lang. And we appreciate your existence. Alam mo naman na mahal ka namin. And we love that you are our bunso.
Yes, so we love you. Bye.
Happy
Happy birthday.
Kung kaarawan mo, naway maging maligaya ka sa iyong buhay. Mayroon kaming munting sorpresa para sa'yo na bubuo sa buhay mo. Muli, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, kaibigan.
Happy birthday, Roxanne! Salamat sa ice cream! Tumingin ka rin dito, oh. Bakit? Oo, ito na ice cream.